Hi everyone, good afternoon to all of you. Hope that all of you are fine. I'm also doing fantastic, and now I'm standing, and as we can see, this is the silly field. And so I think silly, but most of the peoples and most of the farmer in our village crops silly, because silly actually very expensive in our local area, like in our state. So that is why most of the farmers crops in silly. Okay, so now I am visited. I i have come here for visited purposes this field, and I don't have any silly field actually, but it's another person silly field. So that is why I have come here for video making purpose. And as we can see, this is the white field. And so white actually uh, very helpful and very useful, like in our health. Okay, so dear friends, that nowadays I can't make any video like blog video, and my English not good nowadays, because nowadays I can't practice in English. So that is why I shyness feel when I speaking English. Okay, so that is why I make English blog video, and I will regular practice after 1 week later. Okay,